Hello friends, once again we are in chapter number 15 Economic Development. It's our part 2. Friends, we had seen in first video what is economic development. How can we say that economic development is taking place in India? And also what is the difference between economic development and economic progress. Now friends, we are going to see the features of developing economy. Features of developing economy. Friends, here we should see that the economy of developed and developing countries. Economy of developed and developing countries can be separated on the basis of per capita income. The economy of developed and developing countries can be separated on the basis of per capita income. उसके हिसाब से ही हम उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, एज पर वर्ल्ड डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट, एज पर वर्ल्ड डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट 2004, as per World Development Report 2004 by World Bank, as per World Development Report 2004 by World Bank, which country has less than US dollars 735 per capita income, that country is developing economy. The economy of developed and developing countries can be separated on the basis of per capita income. As per World Development Report 2004 by World Bank, which country has less than US dollar 935 per capita income, that country is called developing country or developing economy. Friends, we are going to see the features of developing economy. There are 9 features of it. The first one, per capita income, less per capita income. The first one is what? Less per capita income, कम व्यक्तिगत आवक होती है. दूसरा, population growth. The second one, what that? Population growth. Third one, dependence on agriculture. Dependence on agriculture. The next one, number 4, unequal distribution of income. Unequal distribution of income. आवक की असमान बंटवारा. Unequal distribution of income. Next one, unemployment. Unemployment. Number 6, poverty. Number 6, poverty. Number 7, dual economy. Number 7, dual economy. Number 8, insufficient infrastructure. Insufficient infrastructure. And number 9, form of international trade. Form of international trade, अंतरराष्ट्रीय व्यापार का तरीका. Friends, the first one, less per capita income. This country have less income and population growth is high, so that per capita income remains low, so that living standard is also low there. Second one, population growth. Population growth is very high in this country. It is about 2% or more. Third one, dependence on agriculture. In these countries, maximum people depend on agriculture for employment. About 60% people are developing on agriculture for employment. Other the contribution in national income is about only 26%. Unequal distribution of income. unequal distribution of income and factors of production is seen in developing economies. 20% rich people of country. How much? 20% rich people of countries have 40% income and 20% poor people of countries have 10% income. The economy is run by rich people. Friends, let us repeat once more. The first one, less per capita income. That is, national income is less. National income is less. National income कैसे होती है? कम होती है. And population is high. So that per capita income remains low. Population growth about 2% or more. 2% या उससे ज़्यादा. 2% से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे population growth होता है. Dependence on agriculture. More than 60% people depend on agriculture. National income part 26% होता है. अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम 20% अमीर लोग को 40% इनकम मिल जाती है और 20% गरीबों को 10% इनकम मिलती है. इकोनॉमी अमीरों के हाथ में होती है. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज मेन फीचर ऑफ डेवलपिंग इकोनॉमी. मोर देन 3% पीपल आर अनएम्प्लॉयड फ्रॉम टोटल लेबर. जो भी टोटल लेबर है उसमें से 3% लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड होते हैं. पोवर्टी इज ऑल्सो friends, here different kind of unemployment is seen, like seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, and industrial unemployment, and it is very for very long time. Poverty, garibi. Poverty is also feature of developing economy. Poor is one that who cannot buy things of his necessities like food, clothes, shelter, education, and health services is called poor, and this picture of him is called poverty. And 1/3 of population are below poverty line. Dual economy. Here in this economy there is dual economy. On one hand there are orthodox people who believe in old machineries, old methods of production, whereas some of them are the modern people and they are using latest technology and having more production. This is in cities as well as in villages also. Insufficient infrastructure. In developing economy there is less infrastructure. Infrastructure वहाँ पे कम होता है, like roadways, transportation, communication, electricity, insurance, banking. These are the lack of it. Form of international trade. The developing countries depend on agriculture, so they export. The developing countries depend on agriculture, so they export agriculture products, and demand of it is very less in world market, and whereas they import machines, technologies, etc., and they have to pay more for it. So these countries, developing countries, always have to expend more and earn less. So these countries are developing countries. Friends, we having seen this topic, the features of developing economy. In the next video we will see the next things. Thank you.